Hello dear students. In this video, we are going to learn the concept of first angle projection. Okay, so in engineering drawing, we have got two concepts in which we do the projections. Okay, so two concepts are there. One is first angle and another one is third angle. So in these two angles only we are going to make use and we are going to draw the views, that is orthographic projection. So this is to make you understand how we are going to draw the three views of a particular block. Okay, so now you know what do you mean by this. You have used this in your graph. Okay, so this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. Okay, so these are the four quadrants we have used in your graph class, isn't it? So same way we are going to take the first quadrant. Now when I am taking the first quadrant, what I will do is I will place a plane, that is a vertical plane and a horizontal plane. Okay, so this is vertical plane, this is horizontal plane. Okay, and onto this, in between this I am going to place an object. So let us place a cylinder. This is a cylinder, we'll place a cylinder. Okay, now when we see from upside down, then what happens is we call this as top view. Okay, so when we see this, we are going to see a circle, and circle we can see on the HP. Okay, the circle will fall over here, isn't it? So if I am placing the pen like this, you can see the pen on the paper, isn't it? You cannot see the distance between this pen and this paper. You can just, this is what you are going to get the view, the same view if I keep it here also, isn't it? So same principle, you can see only the circle. If I view it from this side, that is the front view, I can view only the rectangle shape of the object. Okay, this is what you are going to see. See here, if I place it like this, this is the circle. Okay, now if I place it like this, it is a rectangle, isn't it? If you don't consider this, you will see a rectangle. Okay, so rectangle fall on this side. Now for the side view, what happens is, when you are going to see the side view, there is nothing here to catch the side view, it is open. So what we do is we add a profile plane to catch the side view. So side view again will be a rectangle. Okay, so when we open this, what will happen? So here the circle will come, here the VP, and here the PP, that is VP, HP and PP. This is the top view, this is the front view, this is the side. Okay, so this is how we are going to write the views for a cylinder. Okay, so in first angle projection, the top view comes below the front view. Okay, so first point is the top view comes below of front view. Okay, second point, side view will always come next to front view. whatever the condition, always you will find the side view next to the front view. Okay, with plan it won't come next to the plan, it will always come next to the front view. Okay, next the third point is, and this is very important, see, this is the which hand? This is the left hand, isn't it? This is the left hand, but where the view is coming, it is coming to the right hand side, this hand side it is coming. So when the side view is from the right side, we are going to draw it on left side of front view. Always it will come next to the front view, that is there. Okay, so we are going to draw next to the front view. Which side? If it is coming from the right side, we are going to draw it from on the left side of the front view. Okay, so vice versa, if it is coming for the left side, you are going to draw it on the right side. Okay, this is very important. So fourth and important point is, from the right, if it is coming from the left side, left side, you are going to draw it at the right side of the front view, Okay, so how you are going to remember all this? So I will give you very easy concept to remember this. Okay, so see here, first you have to place a line. Okay, we are going to place a line. Now here, where the front view will come and where the top view will come, that will be the question. So first angle will start from F, isn't it? It will start from F. Okay, so F means front view will come up, top view will come down. Okay, so these two things you are going to remember. Side view later on we can see when we are going to solve the blocks. Okay, so what I am telling you, first angle. So first F. F means F, that is front view F, that will go inside and this will come first, and at the below part top view will come. I hope you have understood the concept. I will detailedly consult this when we are going to solve the blocks. Okay, the concepts of third angle projection. Okay, so these are the four quadrants: first, second, third and fourth. Okay, so we are going to use the third quadrant. So I will take a plane like this and a plane like this. Okay, and I will place a cylinder over here. This is the cylinder. Now when I see from above, I will find a circle over here. Okay, first the plane comes, then the object. If I see from here, I will see a rectangle over here. First the plane will come, then the object will come. In the side view, what happens is, I draw a profile plane here to catch it, so it will be a rectangle again. Okay, so likewise, so here a circle will come and here a rectangle will come, and again here a rectangle will come. So this is what, this is HP, this is VP and this is PP. Okay, so this is HP, horizontal plane, which has opened up. This is VP and this is profile projection plane. Okay, so this is how you are going to, so this is what, this is the top view, this is the front view and this is the side view. Okay, so this is what is third angle projection. So now in this, what is the important first point? Top view will be above will be above front view. Second, side view will always come next to front view. So this is same as for your first angle projection. Wherever you draw the front view, the side view will come next to the front view itself. Okay. Now the third point. If the side view is from right side, given from the right side, it will be drawn on right side itself. Okay. Now these are the three important points. Now how to remember how to draw in third angle projection. So all these points, when we are going to solve the blocks, you're going to understand it better. Okay. So how to remember that we are what will come. Okay. First, draw a line as we have drawn in the first angle projection. So third, no, THIRD. So which is the first word? T. T is the first word. So T means top view. Top view will come first, then the front view. Later on we can see for the side view. Seeing on the block, we can see on the side view where it will come. Okay. So this concept, the clear concept you will get when we are going to draw the projection of solids. Okay. So this is what is about your third angle projection. So if you have liked the video, please share it with your friends and hit the like button. Thank you, students. Meet you in my next video.